Hey guys, so I wanted to go over real quick how to do this very winged out kind of like Arabian style eyeliner. The basic materials that you will need are a gel eyeliner. I love this one from Pretty Vulgar. It is the Ink Blackest Bliss gel eyeliner. Also, you will need a slanted eyeliner. And then of course the regular kohl liner, and then also if you want to, you can probably do this look with a regular felt tip eyeliner. This one is the Fenty Beauty fly liner. So the awesome thing about this one is that the tip is very flexible, so you can definitely achieve the look with this one. But what I'm using this for is just for little touch-ups if I need to intensify something. What else? And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as for the eyeliner part. If you want to do a cut crease like this one, I do recommend getting a base or a cream liquid shadow. This one is by Wet n Wild. What I love is that the applicator is thin and it's a petal shape, so that's going to help easily cut that crease. So this one is perfect for that. And then for the eyes, I just used the Tartelette Flirt palette. This one has a lot of good neutrals. So that is pretty much all you need. Let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Very first thing you want to do is prep your lids. I am using the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Cream Eyeshadow in Putty in my hands. Next, I'm going to use the Tartelette Flirt palette, and I'm taking the lightest color in the shade and I am setting the liquid eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to take this kind of like a camel tone color, and I'm going to run that over the crease. And you don't have to be precise with it. It's okay if it gets on the lid. We are going for definition in the crease with this color. Next, I'm taking the darker brown shade in the palette, and I'm also switching my brush to a flatter, more precise brush. The point of this is to go ahead and intensify that crease. So here we are aiming for precision, and again, it's okay if it gets on the lid because we are going to go ahead and cut that with the liquid shadow. And with this shade, you want to slowly start extending that outwards, creating the cat eye effect. You want to make sure not to place a lot of the pigment out there, so the less pigment that you have on the brush, that's when you want to start flicking it outwards. Switching brushes, I'm going in with a small angled brush, and again, this is for definition. So we want to go ahead and intensify that crease and make a sharper line. So here's where the base comes in handy. The paddle of this base is very flat, which allows me to create the perfect cut crease, and it allows me to have a lot of control with the product. And again, patting that dry with my fluffy brush. And this step is optional. You can go ahead and leave the base as is, but I wanted to go for a more white shade. So I'm taking the cream shade in the Mario and KKW Beauty palette. And I'm patting that on the lid with a flat brush. Next step is the eyeliner. I am taking my gel eyeliner with the BH Studio Pro 12 bent eyeliner brush. So I'm going to go ahead and start right in the middle, and the reason for this is in case I create a thick line, that will be perfect for the middle section of the eye. So to create the wing, I want to go ahead and follow the natural line of my lower lash line. So just imagine a straight line forming straight from there all the way to the corner of your brow. And if you make a mistake, don't worry. Go ahead and grab a small precision brush and clean that up with your concealer. For the inner corner, what you want to do is just angle the brush downwards from the tear duct and allow the tip of the brush to do the line for you. And once you have that complete, just make sure you also line your lower lash line. And again, if you feel like you messed up, don't worry, just grab your concealer and go ahead and clean that up. So now to really intensify that the lash line, we're going in with a regular kohl liner. And now we're going to curl our lashes, add mascara and falsies. The falsies that I'm using are from Lily Lashes in the style CEO. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.